So we'll take the derivative, we got a product, x times y squared, and another product, x cubed times y. So the product derivative will be y squared times 1, plus x times the derivative of y squared, which is 2y dy dx, then minus the quantity y times the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared, plus x cubed times the derivative of y, which is dy dx, is equal to derivative of 6 is 0. So that becomes y squared plus 2xy dy dx. Distributing the negative makes negative 3x squared y minus x cubed dy dx equals 0. Keeping all the dy dx's on the same side and moving over the 3x squared y by adding that over and subtracting over the y squared. Then factoring out dy dx, left with 2xy minus x cubed is equal to 3x squared minus y squared. Then dividing both sides to get dy dx by itself, we get 3x squared y minus y squared all over 2xy minus x cubed. We need to figure out when the x coordinate is equal to 1, so we're going to take the equation, the given curve, substitute in 1 in for x, get y squared minus y is equal to 6. Moving over 6, we'll have y squared minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Then factoring, we'll get y minus 3 times y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3, and y is equal to negative 2. So the points are 1, 3, and 1, negative 2. To write the equation for the tangent line, we need to use y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, so we'll need the slope. So taking dy dx at that point, 1, 3. So substituting in the value of 1 in for x and 3 in for y into dy dx. Simplifying, we get 9 minus 9 over 6 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So the equation of the tangent line is y minus 3 is equal to 0 times the quantity x minus 1. Then dy dx is at the point 1, negative 2. Substituting in 1 for x and negative 2 in for y. We get negative 6 minus 4 over negative 4 minus 1, which is negative 10 over negative 5, which is equal to 2. So the equation of the tangent line is y plus 2 is equal to 2 times the quantity x minus 1. We need to figure out when the tangent line is going to be vertical. That's when the slope is undefined, or the slope is 1 divided by 0. So we'll take our dy dx, and figure out when is that dy dx going to equal 1 over 0. And that'll occur when the denominator is equal to 0, so we'll just set the denominator equal to 0. So 2xy minus x cubed is equal to 0. Factoring out an x, we're left with the quantity 2y minus x squared. Set each factor equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and 2y minus x squared is equal to 0. So let's consider if x is equal to 0, we're going to take that and plug that into the original function to see what happens. So substituting 0 in for x, we get 0 is equal to 6, and 0 can never equal 6. Then x is equal to 0 is not going to be a point. Solving 2y minus x squared is equal to 0 for y, substituting into the original equation, y is equal to x squared over 2. So I have x times x squared over 2 quantity squared minus x cubed times x squared over 2 is equal to 6. We'll be able to solve for x. So I have x to the 5th over 4 minus x to the 5th over 2 is equal to 6. Getting common denominators, x to the 5th over 4 minus 2x to the 5th over 4, which will make negative x to the 5th over 4 is equal to 6. Multiplying by the negative 4, I have x to the 5th is equal to negative 24. Then taking the 5th root of both sides, then the x coordinate is equal to the 5th root of negative 24.